Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing vacation planning. AI tools like Google Travel and TripIt make planning easier. They organize plans and provide real-time updates. Virtual assistants create perfect itineraries. AI predicts the best times to book flights. It even provides real-time language translation. AI chatbots offer customer support and navigation. The future holds more innovative AI travel uses. AI is revolutionizing the way we plan our dream trips. AI-powered travel assistants can create personalized itineraries based on your preferences, budget, and travel style. Want to explore ancient ruins, relax on pristine beaches, or sample exotic cuisine? AI can help you plan the perfect trip, including booking flights, hotels, and activities. Just tell your AI assistant what you're looking for, and it will do the rest. It can search through millions of flights, hotels, and activities to find the best options for you using applications like Skyscanner and Expedia. It can even take care of the booking process for you. AI-powered travel assistants are still in their early stages, but they are already transforming the way we plan trips. In the future, these assistants will become even more sophisticated and personalized. One of the biggest challenges of traveling to a new country is the language barrier. But with AI-powered tools like Google Translate and Duolingo, this is no longer a problem. These apps can now translate spoken and written language in real time with remarkable accuracy. Imagine being able to have a conversation with someone who speaks a different language, with your words being translated instantly. This is now possible thanks to AI. AI-powered translation apps are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and they can now even translate different dialects and accents. Tools like Google Translate and Duolingo not only help travelers but also foster greater cultural immersion and understanding. Ever wished you could preview travel destinations before booking? With AI-powered virtual reality, you can. Explore cities, landmarks, and more from home. Google Earth VR lets you fly over cities and walk through streets. YouVisit offers guided virtual tours of attractions worldwide. Make informed travel decisions with these AI-driven experiences. Booking travel arrangements can be a time-consuming and stressful process, but AI tools like Booking.com and Kayak are making it easier and more efficient than ever before. These AI-powered platforms can search through millions of flights, hotels, and rental cars to find the best deals for you. They can also learn your preferences and recommend options tailored to your needs. These systems can even handle the entire booking process for you, from start to finish. AI-powered chatbots on these platforms provide 24/7 customer service. These chatbots can answer your questions, help you with booking changes, and even provide you with travel tips. The future of AI travel. The future of AI travel is incredibly exciting. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and personalized travel experiences. Imagine AI-powered personal translators that fit in your ear, instantly translating any language you encounter. Or imagine self-driving vehicles that whisk you to your destination while you relax and enjoy the scenery. AI could also be used to create hyper-personalized travel itineraries that adjust to your interests in real time. Imagine visiting a museum and having your AI assistant curate a personalized tour based on your favorite artists or historical periods. Applications like TripHobo and Road Trippers are already paving the way for smart itineraries and personalized recommendations. The possibilities are truly endless. AI and the environment. While AI offers incredible potential for enhancing our travel experiences, it's important to consider its impact on the environment. As we embrace AI-powered travel solutions, we must ensure they contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly travel industry. AI can play a crucial role in optimizing transportation routes, reducing fuel consumption, and promoting eco-friendly accommodation options. By leveraging AI's analytical power, we can minimize the environmental footprint of our travels and preserve the beauty of our planet for future generations. Applications like Glooby and Green Travel Guide help travelers make eco-friendly choices by providing information on sustainable options. Ethical AI in travel. As we embrace the advancements in AI-powered travel, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of these technologies. This includes ensuring that AI applications respect local cultures, support local businesses, and promote fair labor practices within the tourism industry. Apps like FairTrip and Responsible Travel can assist in promoting ethical travel by connecting travelers with responsible tour operators. highlighting sustainable tourism initiatives and raising awareness about the importance of cultural sensitivity. Gap 3S, the road ahead. AI travel in 2030. Envision a world where your travel experience is seamless and almost magical. By 2030, AI could revolutionize travel. Picture AI-driven autonomous vehicles transporting you from home to the airport. At the airport, AI-powered biometric systems fast-track you through security with just a facial scan. AI travel assistants offer real-time translation, personalized recommendations, and augmented reality tours. AI-driven sustainability initiatives make travel more eco-friendly. The future of AI travel holds endless possibilities. Get ready to explore a world where the sky is no longer the limit. Gap 3S, smart savings, AI tools for budget-friendly travel. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean compromising on experiences, thanks to AI. Use AI-powered apps like Hopper and Skyscanner to find the best times to book flights and accommodations. Hopper notifies you of price drops, ensuring you book at the lowest rate. AI-driven itinerary planners like TripHobo create optimized travel plans based on your budget. AI chatbots like Meezy find last-minute deals and negotiate better rates. Use AI-based language translation apps to navigate local markets and negotiate prices. Financial management apps like Mint help track expenses and set budget limits. Embrace AI tools to enjoy memorable experiences without breaking the bank. Gap 3S, the future of AI travel technology. Imagine a world where your travel experiences are tailored just for you, down to the smallest detail. By 2040, AI could provide hyper-personalized travel experiences, predicting your preferences and crafting itineraries that feel like they were made just for you. But that's not all. AI-driven sustainability efforts could revolutionize eco-friendly travel. Picture AI systems optimizing flight routes to reduce carbon emissions, or recommending the most sustainable accommodations and activities. And then there's the integration of AI with other cutting-edge technologies like blockchain and IoT. Blockchain could ensure secure, transparent transactions, while IoT devices could provide real-time data to enhance your travel experience. These advancements will not only make travel more enjoyable, but also more responsible and efficient. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to transform the way we explore the world, making our journeys smarter, greener, and more connected than ever before. Gap 3S. Your best trip ever. AI is revolutionizing travel planning, making it more efficient, personalized, and enjoyable. With AI-powered tools like Google Travel and TripIt, you can effortlessly plan, book, and manage your trips. These applications offer features like real-time updates, personalized recommendations, and seamless itinerary management. As AI technology advances, expect even more innovative and exciting travel solutions. Embrace AI for your next adventure and start planning your dream trip today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more travel tips and AI insights.